Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check screen time on your iPhone. So first of all, open up the settings on your iPhone, scroll down, till you find screen time options right here. You can also use the search bar at the top and simply type screen time. Okay, click on the first option and it will open up the screen time here. Alright, now you can see I used 7 hour 11 minutes on Sunday. Then here 3 hour 49 minutes today. Okay, now you can also click on see all apps and website activity here. Right now you can see the apps that I have used today and the timing in front of it. Instagram 1 hour 45 minutes, WhatsApp is there, then some other apps are there. Okay, Kite, Google Pay. And if you have your, you can also see for the previous week or the whole week. Okay, if you have your MacBook connected, then you can click on devices at the top right corner and then click on MacBook Air or what is MacBook Pro if you have. All right, then it will also show for the MacBook Air as well. Now you can see Chrome, Safari, Wondershare, Filmora is there, Discord is there. So this is how you can actually watch and see your screen time in your iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.